Wrong way drivers, insane weather, interesting ways to give your friends a ride, and so much more is in today's episode of
Wham! Bam! Teslacam! I hope you're satisfied!
Patrick's wife was driving down a New Jersey highway in their Tesla Model Y, but what seemed like an ordinary day was about to become anything but. Suddenly, the driver of an SUV in the far right lane merged into the center lane before slamming on the brakes. Another driver swerved toward Patrick's wife, striking her Tesla before ricocheting into the stopping SUV. The impact sent the Tesla spinning across the highway before finally stopping on the curb, facing against traffic. All 4 side curtain airbags deployed after the impact, and the Tesla automatically called 911 to summon first responders. Incredibly, even though she was taken to a hospital by ambulance as a precaution, Patrick's wife walked away from the collision without any serious injuries. As a matter of fact, nobody involved was seriously hurt. Sadly, both Patrick's Model Y and the vehicle that collided with it were totaled. He told us they love our videos, and we're glad his wife is okay. Britton was using full self-driving in his Model Y on his way to South Florida when the early morning suddenly became extremely foggy. Out of nowhere, the driver of the pickup ahead of him slammed on the brakes and darted across the shoulder. Britton instinctively slammed on his own brakes, even though he couldn't see what the reason was for the pickup driver's reaction. Moments later, he encountered not 1, but 2 wrecked semi-trucks completely blocking the highway. Britton called 911 to report the incident while making his way out of the area as quickly as possible. As he puts it, he didn't want to be the meat in a pile-up sandwich. Whenever dense fog appears, you should always slow down and be ready for unexpected obstacles, like a vehicle pileup. If you can't see the road ahead, make sure you give yourself the opportunity to quickly stop. Matt was driving his Model Y, waiting in a drive-thru to pick up some Mexican food when he heard a sudden BAM! The driver of a red hatchback had run a red light before colliding with a Cadillac SUV. The rear axle of the Cadillac was destroyed, while the hatchback's front bumper cover was torn off. As Matt made his way around the wreckage, his Teslacam recorded the hatchback driver collecting his car's bumper cover. When he also saw the Cadillac owner on the phone, presumably calling 911, he went home without offering the involved drivers his Teslacam footage. TJ was driving his Model Y in Texas as he prepared to turn through an intersection in one of 2 right turn lanes. After he'd completed his turn, the driver in the inside turn lane veered into TJ's lane, striking his Tesla. Both drivers pulled over and stopped in a parking lot. TJ told us the other driver immediately took responsibility and apologized after TJ showed him his Teslacam footage, which proved that there had been 2 right turn lanes. Based on TJ's photos, it looks like the majority of the damage was done to the front right side of his Tesla, including the wheel. TJ still didn't know how much repairs would cost, but maybe he'll know by the time this video is published. TJ, if you're watching, let us know how much fixing your Model Y ended up costing down in the comments. Ali was driving his Cybertruck at about 40 miles per hour in Florida on wet, slippery roads. When the pickup truck ahead of him suddenly slowed down, Ali wasn't able to stop quickly enough to avoid rear-ending it. Both pickup drivers pulled over. Thankfully, nobody had been injured, and the other driver seemed surprisingly calm about the situation. Ali's Cybertruck was hardly damaged, while the other pickup's rear bumper was basically destroyed. I guess being built Ford tough doesn't mean quite the same thing once a Cybertruck enters the conversation. Porter was on his way to play pickleball with his mother and brother when he approached a notoriously hated local roundabout. In fact, he told us it's been nicknamed the Death Circle by local residents, and we're all about to find out why. A black Porsche Panamera almost made it out of the traffic circle unscathed, until it was sideswiped by a red pickup truck. The Porsche spun completely around before climbing a curb and finally stopping. Porter told us that he and his passengers had all been thinking to themselves what a nice Porsche it was just moments before the wreck. But they only discovered this after the collision. Great minds think alike. Since they were already running late to play pickleball with others who were waiting for them, Porter continued. Watch what one Chevy driver did when Brian made a right turn in his Model 3. Without signaling, the Chevy driver crossed a solid white line to reach the far left turn lane before Brian sped up and collided with the SUV's quarter panel. Both drivers stopped and exchanged information. After Brian made an insurance claim, the insurance company determined he wasn't responsible and assigned liability to the SUV driver. Brian told us drivers in Irvine and Tustin are insanely dangerous. What do you think? Did you happen to see any insanely dangerous drivers in this video? Brandon was on his way to pick up his daughter Aubrey from school one Friday and was using full self-driving in his 2022 Model Y Performance. When Brandon moved into the travel lane, an SUV driver who'd been tailgating him in the passing lane sideswiped him as he passed before crossing the highway to reach the exit lane. Brandon disengaged FSD after the collision. At first, the SUV driver seemed to accelerate, but then he slammed on the brakes and pulled over. Brandon told us this almost caused another collision as there was a semi-truck right behind him at the time. The SUV driver then called the police and told them that Brandon had accelerated to block his lane change, causing the collision. When a law enforcement officer reviewed his Teslacam footage, he instantly assigned the SUV driver fault and cited him for making an unsafe lane change. When Brandon contacted the SUV driver's insurance provider the next day, they told him their customer hadn't informed them of the collision. He went ahead and did the SUV driver a favor by starting the claim process for him. Brandon told us he watches our videos all the time with his daughter. That's awesome! If watching Wham Bam is your family tradition, sideswipe the subscribe button while we roll the next submission. Lewis was driving his Tesla Model X across the George Washington Bridge into New Jersey when, all of a sudden, a semi-truck lost its trailer, sending a shower of sparks all over the road as the safety chain struggled to hold onto it. Lewis was using full self-driving at the time, and he told us it reacted well by accelerating to get clear of the truck. Thankfully, the trailer veered right instead of left, so it didn't come toward Lewis as the truck driver slowed down to keep the trailer from getting completely out of control. Lewis doesn't know what happened after this, but he's guessing the incident caused quite a slowdown as drivers tried to get across the bridge. This subscriber was leaving Menlo Park, chauffeuring his parents in their Tesla, which he told us he drives more than they do. Heavy snowfall had just started that night, and as he approached a traffic light, the driver of a Kia Forte decided they didn't feel like stopping. The Kia driver threaded the needle between our subscriber and a Honda before running the red light and making a right turn without stopping. Our subscriber told us he didn't realize at the time that the Kia had made a right turn. And when he reviewed his Teslacam footage, he realized it didn't have its lights on. Only the brake lights appeared when the driver was slowing down. Other than that, it was completely blacked out. He said his parents had some choice words to say about the Kia driver as they continued on their way. Travis was driving his Tesla Model Y from Chicago to Ann Arbor for a day of shopping when he suddenly spotted another driver coming the wrong way down the highway. The other vehicle was traveling at high speed, but thankfully, all the other drivers nearby were able to avoid colliding with it. Travis told us he doesn't understand how people manage to drive the wrong way and not realize that something is wrong. When he noticed a law enforcement vehicle heading the same way a minute later, he decided not to report the wrong way driver. This subscriber was on his way home in his Model 3 when he watched a reckless driver attempt to pass 3 vehicles at once. Our subscriber pulled off the road to avoid a head-on collision. Thankfully, no collisions occurred, but we're guessing there might have been some damage done to the reckless driver's pants. Andrew was on his way to have dinner with his mother, and the roads were very wet due to ongoing heavy rainfall. Suddenly, a Mustang driver pulled across the road in front of Andrew to reach a parking lot, which was illegal for more than one reason. The driveway into the parking lot is only for traffic going in Andrew's direction. Andrew was understandably caught off guard by the reckless maneuver, but thankfully, the only thing affected by the incident was his heart rate. He told us that things like this are sadly very normal in the city of Oxford. By the way, Andrew is one of our platinum-level Patreon supporters, and he wanted to shout out his mother, Kathy, who helped and supported him in his purchase of a Tesla. That wasn't the only submission Andrew sent us. He was running errands when he had an interesting encounter with another Oxford driver at a newly installed roundabout. For whatever reason, Andrew told us this particular traffic circle confuses a lot of locals, even though there are several others in town as well. This particular driver stopped in the middle of the roundabout, incorrectly yielding the right-of-way to Andrew. He stood his ground, waving the other driver along and hoping this would teach him how this kind of intersection is supposed to work. I don't know, Andrew. I kinda doubt that will be enough to make him realize he's doing roundabouts wrong. What do you think? Okay, one more video from Andrew and then we'll give some other subscribers a turn. He was taking his mother and friend home after they'd watched him perform as a member of the orchestra for a local production of Seussical. He was making his way through another one of Oxford's roundabouts when an SUV driver failed to observe the road markings and signage that clearly indicated which lane they should be in. Suddenly, the SUV driver started illegally invading Andrew's lane, and they didn't even bother using their turn signal. Andrew honked to get the driver's attention, but they just responded by honking back, as if the situation was Andrew's fault. You know, maybe before people get behind the wheel, they should learn what lines and arrows mean. Just saying. Sagoon was driving his Model 3 down a Houston highway when he watched one bad driver encounter another. The driver of a Kia Soul decided against taking an exit at the last second, cutting across the gore point where another driver attempting to do the same had gotten stuck waiting for traffic, blocking Sagoon's lane. At the risk of being rear-ended, Sagoon was forced to a complete stop before waiting until the other driver finally got out of the way. Thankfully, this incident ended up being only a dangerous inconvenience before Sagoon continued on his way. This subscriber was driving down an Australian road in his Tesla Model Y when he encountered a rather irritable motorcycle rider. As he approached an intersection, he began merging into the right lane before noticing the biker passing him. When he honked to warn the rider, she just rolled her eyes. She must have gotten over it though, because once they'd crossed the intersection, she told our subscriber that he's number one. Gerardo was about to head home and just leaving a parking lot when another driver stopped in front of him, then got out and accused him of rear-ending his car. He scolded Gerardo for supposedly hitting his Mercury, telling him he had a girl in the car with him, before trying to punch Gerardo. Gerardo could only laugh about the ridiculous accusation, knowing full well he had everything captured on video. When the guy told Gerardo to stop laughing, Gerardo offered to call the police so they could sort it out. Gerardo managed to keep his cool until the guy finally decided to leave. Thankfully, neither he nor his Tesla were damaged. Michael was driving his Model S in San Antonio when a driver whose view was blocked by a turning SUV nearly caused Michael to run into his car. Michael told us he was on his way to pick up his son Dominic when this happened, and when he told him about the close call, he told Michael to send this footage to Wham Baam Teslacam. Thanks, Dominic. June's Tesla Model 3 captured this Sentry mode footage while it was parked in his school's parking lot. Well, that's one way to give a friend a ride, I guess. After June discovered this footage, he sent it to the guys in the video and they thought it was pretty funny. We'll be back with more wild Teslacam videos next week, so if you want to be sure you won't miss it, don't forget to subscribe. And if you don't want to wait until then, check out this episode that YouTube thinks you haven't seen yet. It's a banger!